This is the picnic check-in booth, along with the raffle for the quilt. I made this quilt and I'm donating it to the reunion, and we're raffling it off to raise funds for the reunion. And we are also taking care of the tickets for the bus tour that we're having this year. And that's about it.
Are you eating? I look like you got...
Yeah, we're eating. Definitely put the plate down.
Okay. Now tell me who you are.
I am Marlene Boone, Dolores' daughter of John Abernathy, who was Mary Ellen Young's son, who was Jordan Young's son.
Okay.
And this is Renee Singleton, daughter of Pauline Abernathy,
Okay.
who is Dolores' sister.
Okay. See you guys later.
Alrighty. Bye.
Tell us who you are and what we're doing here.
I'm Valerie Weisinger from Alameda, California, and Fowler, California.
Uh-huh.
I'm here for the reunion.
Okay.
Burning up.
Burning
Looking for
up?
coal somewhere. Some kind of swimming pool.
Okay.
And here enjoying the family on Labor Day.
All right. Okay. Okay. Jacqueline,
Hi.
who are you?
I have a mouthful of food.
Okay.
And you would do this to me, but hi, I'm Jacqueline Brown. I'm married to you, Julia. My mother-in-law is Ethel Brown, and we're the Jordan part of the family. And we're celebrating the 30th anniversary of the Young family reunion.
Okay.
And I'm so happy to be here.
Good.
And I'm sitting amongst very nice and relatively close relatives.
Well, we're happy to have you here. Okay.
And I'm the one that's very camera shy.
Too bad.
You two did a very good job. I'm Jeanette Weisinger, and I'm Boston Weisinger's daughter.
Okay.
Okay. And Mike, the cameraman, is my cousin, and Jackie. Okay, and I'm just very happy to be here.
All
Very,
right.
very happy.
Okay.
And I'm so glad you and Jackie came, Mike, because I was really hoping you would. Okay.
All right. Okay. Okay. Anyway, we're having fun. Is the food good?
Really good.
Okay, all right.
Good now.
Now that you're eating, huh? Okay.
I stayed all day with this. No food this morning. Waiting on this.
Okay, was it worth it? All right, very good. Tell me who you are and what we're doing. Okay,
Having a good time.
having a good time.
It's really heating and relaxing.
All right, and I'm bugging you, huh?
Michael.
Who's this young lady next to you here? She's ignoring me.
What's your name?
I'm just Francis. Okay.
Okay. All right. Say hi.
Hi.
I'm a good man. All right.
All the time.
Okay.
Man, what's the plan?
And with the plan. All right.
This is our 30th family reunion. I have not missed one of them, and I have enjoyed every single one.
Okay.
The food is delicious.
Okay, who is this young lady next to you here?
This is Andrea, and she works for the city paper.
Okay. Okay. All right. Well, okay. Have fun.
I want to say hi to all the family. 30 years of reunion. This is amazing. And we're still here.
Still here.
Thanks to Isaac, thanks to Jordan, thanks to Hiram, thanks to Simeon. We continue to grow and expand as a family. It's a wonderful thing. Thank God for that.
Okay.
Well, I guess I should say something too, but basically, Donnie's already said everything that could be said. I just hope that the family reunion continues after the present leadership moves on to retirement. But it just doesn't seem that the young folk have the same level of interest. But it's great always seeing cousins and aunts and everybody else. So I look forward to the next reunion.
All right. Very good.
Wishes, Barry.
All the wishes.
Not really, but we're back here where it began. Fowler Park, my grandmother's dream, and we're keeping it going. Like I said, we don't have the numbers, but we're going to improve that sometime.
That's
Okay.
right. So this is a younger generation.
All right.
Well, I think he meant younger than me, but okay.
Okay, very
But you're
good.
right. Lorraine was the one who got all this. Yeah. She pulled everybody together.
And I didn't know this was part of Uncle Jordan's.
Yeah, that's what I understand.
That makes it even more special.
Okay.
We have like friends here. They have like, why am I the only one staring like this? I don't get
I'm enjoying the food.
Wonderful. The fish fry last night was just fantastic. And the picnic today, that food is just unbelievable, especially the greens and the peach cobbler made me get off my diet. Well, anyway, thank you. Hello, everybody. Aloha.
Uwimana Hatchett Fall, the daughter of Saida Hatchett, granddaughter of Atha and Elmer Gibson, and great-great-great-granddaughter of Jordan Young. And I'd like to say hello, and also say, I was trying to think of My husband is Senegalese. I was trying to think of Nomala, say in Wolof, hello or greetings. Okay, that's it.
Young family reunion 2008. It's good to be here, seeing all my relatives that I haven't seen in a long time. I just thank God for the opportunity to be here. And I see cousin Dolores, Rosemary, all my older cousins, some of the younger cousins. Betty and Langer just came in, Roger and Katie, and got my wife here, Monica. Here's Saida and her family. It's just a wonderful time here. The weather's it's not that hot, it's not too bad. I'm looking forward to the tomorrow at the banquet and the bus tour of Fowler and all the vineyards and every place where we're gonna go. So Mike, you've been doing a fine job here doing the photography and all the videos. So once again, hey, thanks for everything, for just being here, a part of the reunion, and he's here for the reunion. So that's all
Hi, my name is Karen Pettigrew. I'm Loretta's daughter, and Mountain Young was my grandfather, and I love being here for this family reunion. Thank you.
This is, I think, my third or fourth reunion, and I'm having a wonderful time, and it's good to see the whole family.
It's Doris from Hawaii, and I wanted to introduce one of our new family members. Isaac is going to get married in August to this young woman. She's wonderful, and her name is Chelsea. I said it right. So we are wishing them well. Thank you.
Today I'm celebrating my 100th birthday. My name used to be Thelma Young, but now it's Thelma Young Wilson. And I see a lot of people I know, but there's loads of people here that I don't know. But I know they're family. So thank you very much. I don't know anything else to say.
I am so blessed to be here at my age with my mother, who's 100 years old. And I just feel like it's one of the best days of my life. And I appreciate all the relatives and friends who've driven several miles, or they've flown several miles to get here for this special day for my mother. And I want to thank all of you. Thanks, Mike.
How are you guys doing? And I'm having a great time at the family reunion. There is a little breeze today, so it's not bad at all. Anyway, I'm glad to be here with Aunt Thelma and the rest of the family. Bye-bye.
Okay, the number is 887573.
That's three numbers.
573.
What did I win? What did I win?
Good evening. Hello, everyone.
Hello.
Hey, Gray. Gray Dog, what's up, man? Now, I'd like to welcome everyone to Thelma Wilson's 100th birthday party. I'm glad everyone could be here tonight. First, a couple of announcements. Clearly, everyone sees that there's a chocolate fountain for your enjoyment and pleasure. Very decadent, very decadent. If you brought a card and dropped it off, that's great. If you'd like to make a card, kids, please help yourself to the middle. There's arts and crafts cards, stickers, pins for you to write to your content and pleasure. Once again, I'd like to welcome everyone to my grandmother's 100th birthday party. And to start it off, the Central Committee has provided her with the crown. I know that obviously the print's very small, but from here it says, the Lucky Lady, and it has aces of all suits in the front.
Any diamonds on there?
I think there are. They're crushed. They're all around here, the sparkles. All right, so let me see if
So
I can
I'll
get
be
this on.
queen for a day.
Look straight ahead. Look straight ahead, and he's going to put it on you now.
Okay. I'm looking straight ahead, but the photographer's over on the side.
That's okay. Let him do his job.
That look good?
Yeah, it's on. Thank you.
That looks excellent. So, no, I'm just saying, that looks good. So we will have some hors d'oeuvres that will be in the back in about 5 minutes for people to help themselves. There's punch and coffee in the corner.
Thank you.
My grandmother does have a parting gift for everyone. And in order to get that gift, though, you have to come up to the podium and speak to her at some point over the next hour or so. So to get your parting gift, you have to come up to the front, and she has something for you. At this point, I'd like to bring Dolores up to the stage, because she has some special presentations for my grandmother.
Really did not have a special thing for her right now, but later on I will, or maybe I can do this at this time and everyone will get to see it. Marlene, look underneath the punch bowl and there's a white box if you would bring it out. But we wanted to also know how fortunate our family is to have 3 people living from the first generation of people. And in doing so, my daughter made this special card that says Generation Y for Young, and you open it up and there's a picture of Thelma in the middle and Naomi and Mabel on each side. She will be passing around. It is a safe keep, and I might say that it's a lot of work that has gone into that. Okay? Now, you want to bring it on over? Oh, you can do it. Now that you have seen her cake and everything, there was something special I wanted to do, or we wanted to do, and so we will present you with a cake that you can keep forever. Can't get it out? Well, pull. Yeah. The thing that we have used for her, the thing we use, as you see, are raisins, grapes, and playing cards. Right. Yes. Let us bring it. For everyone to see it.
Who made this?
This is a styrofoam tape. for her to take and keep for years to come. And it's 100, and it says, Happy 100th Birthday, Thelma. And it has playing cards and raisins and only 50 candles instead of 100 candles. And so this is for you to take and be part of your memory. So
Thank you.
And I hope that you will look at the 100 cake that is over against the wall. I see that our refreshments are out and ready, so we will eat and join and talk and share, and then we will have the cutting of the cake and the toast that we will have to our Aunt Thelma. Okay. Thank you very much. So you may begin. Oh, do we need to say grace? We better say grace.
Thelma, we're so glad we could be here from Toledo, Ohio, to wish you a happy 100th birthday. May God continue to bless you. Okay. Your turn.
Congratulations, Cousin Thelma. And a sign of a blessing from the Lord to have lived for 100 years. We rejoice with you in this celebration. And thank you for the invitation.
This is a very pleasant and honor for me to see and do this for Thelma Young Wilson. I thank Thelma because she is responsible for my daughter being alive today. As you know, her son, Uchi, or Robert Jr., and I were very close. And if he was here, he would definitely have done something for his mother. And then your son-in-law, Gene, who is not here, would have had something much, much larger than that. But from my heart, just like you and Marguerite are living together, my daughter and I live together. But it's thankful to you because when you told me the name of the disease, and I told the doctors in Portland who had never heard of it, they did save her life. Happy birthday, and I pray to God I make it to my 100th also. Thank you. Happy birthday, Thelma.
Cousin. This is Cousin Maddie, and I'm the granddaughter of Maxine. And I just want to say how blessed I am to be here, to be related to a person who has lived 100 blessed years. I haven't been involved in your life and haven't seen a lot of what's going on, but just by looking at you and just by seeing that the praise that everyone around has for you tells me that you have been very blessed. And again, I'm just so thankful to have been a part of your 100th birthday, and I'm proud to be here as part of your family. So good luck to you always. That's it.
Thelma, this is Cousin Jerry. Oh, that was my beautiful niece that just said hello to you before me, just in case. Don't they grow up fast? I'm telling you, as I wrote on your present that you'll be getting from everyone, where they've written a message to you, thank you so much for longevity. I mean, you are just really a queen. And all I can say is thank you for all the good genes. And I'm going to enjoy your night. This is very classy tonight. I'm telling you, our relatives are really 21st century. I'm so proud of all of us.
This is Jackie. Congratulations, Thelma, for a great 100 years of being here on this earth. And I know there's going to be another 100 years coming. You may not want to do that, but I hope that, at least, another 10, 15, 20 years. But you're a joy to be around, and both Michael and I love you dearly. And again, congratulations.
Hello, Aunt Thelma. This is Margaret. Happy birthday. I know I am just missed your birthday by 2 days because mine's August the 12th. Enjoy your 100th birthday, and we love you, and many more.
Beautiful Aunt Thelma that's 100 years old. I can't believe someone can live that long and be so beautiful. So, I'm just going to say I hope I can get up there and get whatever little prize she's going to give me for saying this. My name is Ron Williams. I'm married to Margaret Williams, Margaret Hutchison, Margaret Young. Her mother was Roberta Young. And I'm just married into the family, but she's a real wonderful lady. And also, I'm glad to know that she has an auntie, a great aunt, that's 100 years old. I don't know anybody else right now that's 100 years old. So I think that's something to be, not taken too lightly. And so we will enjoy this moment and have a great time, and nice to know you.
This is Rosemary Jones. Oh, I forgot Rosemary Hewlett Jones, since you called me by my maiden name. And happy birthday, cousin. And happy birthday from my mother. I know she would have loved to do it.
Thelma, I would like to wish you a happy 100th birthday and congratulations.
Hello, Thelma. This is Donnie wishing you a happy 25th birthday. Wait a minute, I got that wrong. It's not 25. You're 35. Yes. No, you're 50. No, that's not right either. Oh, the cake says 100. Happy 100th birthday. Oh, well, I am delighted, so delighted to see you on your 100th birthday, to be here on your 100th birthday. And I look forward to seeing you on your 125th birthday. And I, from all of our family, to you and your family, we love you, and we're so happy to be here on this special day for you. May God bless you.
This is Frances, and I'm just wishing you really a wonderful, happy time during this time. Thank you.
Birthday from San Diego, from Lee and Carolyn Thomas, and my son Randall Shade. I hope that I live to be 100, and I'm half the shape you're in. Take care.
Happy birthday, Aunt Thelma, from Mia and Giovanni, Mia's, Loretta's. Oh, and the baby wants to say something to him. He wants to eat it. He can't eat it. We love you, and we're glad to just see that you have a 100th birthday. And hope you have many more. Love you. Bye-bye.
We love you, and we wish you the best.
What? Happy birthday, Aunt.
I love you.
Hi, Aunt Thelma. Happy birthday. And this is the second time and not enough. But in any case, happy birthday, and we'll talk to you later.
Hello, my sister-in-law, Thelma. Many happy birthdays, and may you be here another 100 years. Take care and have a good birthday. God bless. Bye. Ola.
Happy birthday, Aunt Thelma. Many more. Love you, and I'll see you soon. Bye.
Happy birthday and congratulations on reaching the century mark. A few have done it, and you're in a special class all your own. God bless.
Thelma, cousin Dorothy, love you very much, sweetheart. Talk to you soon.
Okay, this is your brother's son, Ronald. I want to say happy birthday, and I hope you have many, many, many more.
I'm having so much fun here at the Young Family Reunion, and I like to say happy birthday. This is the greatest birthday party ever, and I want to say happy 100th birthday to Velma, Miss Velma.
I'm gonna take a whooping. You see, I just got, you know what I'm talking about, the cards. That's why you have the cards on your, your little tiara there. Don't let her fool you, okay? She is a card shark. I come over her house and we play Tonk. There's a game Tonk. And I'm pretty good with cards, and I thought that she was at least, when you're playing her, she was about 90, when we first started playing in 90 somewhere, and I figured that, she's old enough to forget some cards. And she used to beat me when I was younger with my grandmother, we'd be back, but she was like 70 and all, she used to beat me, so I just waited, got a new watch. Trying to wait for you to get older, and the number gets older, she just doesn't. She doesn't forget a thing. And I thought, okay, you're 100 years old, it's supposed to be like what we have, 1999, the clock's supposed to, everything is the millennium and all, and And I came over today and she said, "You ready for another whooping?" Now, the bad part about that was she was being interviewed. Yeah, you were being interviewed. And I went to say something to her. She said, "Not right now. I'm being interviewed." Well, this lady is looking saying, "Well, what did she used to do to you?" And I didn't want to say, but I knew she was going to tell. So I said, "We used to play cards." "And did she beat you?" I said, "Did you get a whooping?" I said, "Well, she says I did, and maybe I did." But this is what this lady does, and don't let this thing here is not just something to say, hey, like she's an object. She knows everything and everybody, and I don't know why she's a little scared. I'll play you right now. You want to play? You can't hear what I'm saying? If you can't hear what I'm saying, how you know I'm talking? Because this is what she does when playing cards. Was that card over? Talk. Bam! So I'm here to let you know that I'm taking it, and I've spent so much money on watches. I'm not spending. You don't forget. But I will see you in Los Angeles. We will play more time. I will not be defeated. Do you understand that? Don't let that smile put she'll be the first one to tell me I'm getting a whooping. We love you. Do you understand that? I'm talking. She does that. I'm talking to you. Oh, the greatest card shark over. We love you very much, and I will see you in Los Angeles at our next card game. Do you understand? Oh, you heard that, didn't you?
My grandmother and grandfather did not drive their whole life, and so they lived out. You'll see the ranch, the former ranch. So their social life was on the ranch. All those kids. And so whenever they got together with their cousins, including you, that was special. And of course, Aunt Mabel, she's right there in the back. She can testify to those days. But I grew up in Oakland. I was born and birthed and raised in Oakland. So a lot of people are Los Angeles based. So I would come down to LA for, well, really to see more of my mother's side of the family. But my father and mother would always come and see you. Yeah, I just remember the good times when you and Bob, my father, of course, he loved to, when he socialized, he'd have a little bit of liquor. Yeah. See, I don't drink alcohol, so I didn't follow my father's tradition. But I know the family part of that is that I want to see my cousin, my blood, I grew up with. And so I have that in my blood. I come from 1,000 miles just to be here. I'm sorry I missed the last reunion because some of my mother's side of the family, they also remember you and Bob. So I just wanted to honor you. You are a role model in my life. The love you had in your family, I have taken to my heart. And so my father's in here, but I know he would have liked to have been here to see you be 100 and him be 99. And so you've made it. You have crossed that threshold. And so for our family and for the really, I call the first generation born out of slavery, that you are our leader. And thank you.
Were you calling for the Masters of Ceremony? What? Play game? He wants to play cards, not me. Well, I, like Brad, grew up getting the whooping. The first person that I learned how to play cards from was my grandmother. And the first game was poker. You know, we weren't messing around with Tonk. It was poker. And so I just remember I have some fond memories of going over to my grandmother's house when she would have her club meetings, her poker club meetings, and there was always some good food on that buffet table, and we would eat, and then we start clearing off the dishes, and it was time, man. It was time, and they would play cards, and I'd watch. And then, on some Saturday afternoons or Sundays after church, You know, we'd be sitting there and she'd play and she'd show me how to play some of these games. So, you know, I put that to good use when I went away to summer camp when I was 13. Trust me, I always had money at camp because I was taking everybody else. So that's definitely a very fond memory that I have. You have something to say? Well, why are you here? Because you want to say something? He just wants to be the center of attention, but not the center of attention. But no, I just wanted to get up here and say a couple of words about my grandmother.
My birthday.
Oh, we got a negotiation going on. But anyway, just some very fond memories. I spoke and said a few words at her 100th birthday, on her 100th birthday, about everything that she meant to me and my family. You know, she's the matriarch of our family. She's led the way. You know, again, we've all spent many a day with our feet under her table eating good food. But it was the lessons in life that she really bestowed upon us. She led by example. She showed us what it meant to be a black woman and to care for her family. And I know that if my dad was here, or my grandfather was here, or my uncle was here, they would be very proud of this moment that they could share with all of you, you know, such a momentous occasion. And so I would just, again, just like to say happy 100th birthday to my grandmother, Thelma Wilson.
All the way from Ohio to wish you a happy birthday. But I can remember when we lived in San Mateo at 808. She and her husband, they'd come up there, and my mom and dad would have the spread, table spread, and we just loved it when our cousins from LA would come up and visit and tell us about what was going on down south. That was so much fun. So I just wanted to wish you a happy birthday and many, many more.
Oh, I'm very happy that everybody came on my 100th birthday. I never dreamed of being here this long. But I certainly thank all of you for coming. You made this a very happy day for me, and I hope everybody had a good time. Thank you very much.
I'm very happy that you all are here to help us celebrate my mother's birthday. She's always been a very special person in my life, of course. She taught me a lot of things, and there were a lot of things I should have learned, like how to sew. I never did learn that. But I did learn a lot of other beautiful things from my mother. And I'm so happy that she is now living with me. And we get along extremely well, and we love each other very much. And I want to thank all of you for coming to help us to celebrate this very special woman in all of our lives.
Yeah.
And thank you so much.
When the idea first came to have a young family reunion in South Carolina, and I had to run it by a few people. And so I remember bringing up the idea, what about if I planned a reunion in Columbia, South Carolina, would people come? And she was one of the first people that said yes. And so the day that they said, we were going to take off and go to Raleigh, no, it was Charlotte, to go up to Johnson C. Smith Biddle University. And her father was, he was,
her father? My mother's father?
What?
Is that what you're talking about?
Yes,
Wasn't your father a minister?
My father was a Presbyterian minister.
But he was at Biddle University, John C. Smith. He was a senior.
That was in Bracy, Virginia.
No. Yes.
No.
Well, it was still in North Carolina. But I remember the day that they came back, and they said, we came back from Biddle University, and I found my father. And it was 1884 at Capitol. And he was a senior in college. And my grandfather Isaac was a freshman. But that day when Lorraine and Thelma came back, and they said, we were so, they found my father. And so that connection, we knew about it, but when you see it in writing, there they were.
Yes.
And of course, my goal is to find Hiram Adelaide. They're there in the history books. the Hiram Young family married into the Bowman family, a family out of South Carolina. And so I went to, my wife and I, my girls, we went to, and Great Jean and Isaac, we went to Columbia last July. And so we went to Young Chabamie Church. For those who went to the 87 reunion, Reverend Hiram Young's church is still there. Young's Chabamie Church, right there in Irmo. And, but at that time, we didn't know where it was. And so, but they're still thriving. But there are three, I believe there are at least 3 women of the four brothers, Isaac and Hiram and Simeon and Jordan. There are at least 3, Albany, Hetty, and Winnie. And their records, I haven't found them yet. So maybe somebody has. But I'm trying to find them in South Carolina because that's where the family tree started there, in Columbia, in the Irmo. So that church is still there, but I just remember that day that you found your father, and it was a wonderful day. All right, happy birthday again.
My connection, always my connection to Thelma, and of course my parents have long passed on. And when I came up to Thelma today, I said, "Thelma, hi." I said, "You know who I am? I'm Roger's wife." She said, "You're Wilbert and Pancheetah's daughter." That's who you are. That's their baby girl. Yeah, that's me. So that's my connection, and I'm so happy that we have that special connection. Thelma, happy birthday.
People that were at her party. If you would like to say something else or after the party, write that on the back. But everyone, I hope you have signed the quilt. If not, it will be right up here. And remember, she has something for you when you leave or get your cake. Thank you again, and I hope you enjoy yourself as much as I did. Thank you for coming.